shots. I claim this city and I take your spot. Stay thinking about a white one, thinking about a bright sun. Then I change straight from the dark shit. No tape when I'm playing with the black gun. Nigga, you ain't never been a god since the last run. No stance in the place that show. A lot of niggas tell me that I never really own. Track to the place, back, nigga. Tell me that I'm like a nigga, but my flow sicker. Calling, I'm calling, shit, yeah. Dressed like a motherfucking god when I reach the spot. Niggas always tell me that
what's up, guys? It's Clutch Boys back with another video. Today, we actually introduce you guys to another Clutch Boy. That little faggot over there back in the red. That's our boy Gio. You know, he got another G35, another slow piece of shit, but okay. It's okay. I'm just talking shit. So today we're going to be putting some longer wheel studs on it because he has aftermarket wheels and the studs, the lug nuts barely grab onto the studs, and we gotta roll fenders. What else we gotta do?
Lower the front.
Oh yeah, we gotta bring the front down. I just got done painting this car like 3 weeks ago.
3 weeks ago.
Yeah, so.
Show them the paint job.
But so kind of, I don't know, it kind of works a little bit better right there. Not really. Pretty hard to tell.
See it better from here.
So the thing about the color, it's really hard to pick up on camera. On one, like from an angle, it's black, and then from the other one, it's more like a brownish, goldish color. It's really hard to pick up. Oh, a little bit right there. I'm not sure. It's pretty hard to pick up. But yeah, that's Giovanni. He's a little faggot. You guys already know him, so yeah. So we're gonna get going and probably try to teach you guys how to change your wheel studs. All right, let's get into it. All right, so first step, guys, you have to do, obviously, take off your wheel, get that fuck out of the way. Then you have to take out your caliper. It's way better if you take it out as a whole than trying to break it down, because that's just stupid. And then just try to leave it hanging inside in there. After that, you have to take your disc off, right? Disc, yeah, the rotor. Disc, I mean, Spanish, disco type shit. Then you have to take off your rotor, and you'll be able to be right in your wheel studs. What size is that?
19. No, 21.
22? So for the front on G35s, it's a 22 millimeter. In case anybody's going
without
to do this.
the Brembos.
Yeah, well, yeah, non-Brembo.
Because the Brembos are 19s.
Yeah.
All the way around.
So you guys got some new information. I know shit about G35s because you're slow. So, you know, yeah.
Alright guys, so we're gonna hammer these studs out. In some cars you have to take out the dust shield, but since this one has a little slot where you can take out the stud from,
Just have to line it up and knock the fuck out of it.
You wanna change something? I don't wanna put my ass in your face.
Oh yeah, I like booty.
I like cheesesteak. Cheesecake.
That's how you get one out.
Then 4 more to go. Alright guys, so for you guys to be able to put the studs back in, so you're gonna put back in the new studs, put some washers. This is the getaway. They sell out 2 AutoZone. Do it the right way. You put that like that. Turn it down. And then with that impact gun or a ratchet or whatever you want to use, start putting friction. And then you're gonna check for gaps in the back. So see right now, it should look just like that. No gap, no nothing. And then stick it out.
It's 100 times easier with the fucking impact gun. Trust us. We did it once without impact, and that shit was not fun.
Yes.
So there you go. You can see even the difference of. I mean, it's not a big difference. It's only 10 millimeter, my bad, difference. But the thing is, you know, that'll be enough thread to catch onto the new lug nuts and with the new wheel setup.
Alright guys, so we're done assembling it. We put the caliper on, got the rotor on with the extended studs on, and now Ada's gonna start doing the fender rolling real quick. Gotta roll this small lip out in a little bit so it won't rub and eat away at the tire. Yep, let's get going.
What's going on, Adelaide?
So my dumbass took all of them out, and now I don't have a way to fucking turn the whole thing out. Oh, there you go.
So why is that a problem?
Because the lug nuts are the lug studs are longer, and it's more difficult to put them in. So see.
So where do you have to
So
put
you
it
gotta
up there?
find out the sweet spot. So this is the sweet spot right here, since it has a hole in there.
Well, it might not be the sweet spot.
Oh, I need to fucking move it a little bit more. There you go. I think we should be good on there. On that one. I hope so. I mean, we almost there, but we're not there yet. There you go.
There you go. Yes, so you just have to find the sweet spot, which is pretty much kind of, you know, like line it up from here, you know, just right below that little hole as a point of reference.
Look, right here. See? Smart guy.
Yep.
And then you're gonna do the same thing as you did in the front.
5 times too, you know.
5 times.
Alright guys, so finally the rear and the front is done, and now it's time to teach you guys how to roll fenders. Yay! The funny thing about it though, he never rolled his
did.
You rolled the G35 fenders?
No, but the IS350, yeah, I did.
Yeah, well I was about to go G35. He never rolled his fucking fenders when he should have done that.
But it's okay.
Whatever.
Well, so first of all, you wanna get the paint hot so you don't crack it, especially on this one, because this is some new.
I'll tell you this.
Nice ass paint.
You crack my paint, I'll crack your ass.
Oh shit! It's already cracked right in the middle, brother.
Oh, I'll do it even bigger.
Across. All right. So first of all, you gotta heat up everything, the whole fender. If I were you guys, I would start with small pieces. So
Small parts.
yeah, small parts. So probably I would just start with the middle and then work my way out from each side. Which probably we only need to roll it right about here, because I don't think he's gonna need all the way down there. So we're gonna start doing that, and yeah, and make sure you clean on top of here, because you don't want your shit to start fucking. See?
Yeah.
You don't want your shit.
Just
to start,
clean, you know.
Yeah, just clean, just so you don't get rust and shit. So yeah,
Let's get going.
let's keep going. Is it raining already? Ow! Ow!
Got it, bro. Got it. I'm trying to save you out here from these diseases.
So what are you doing right now?
First, I'm to esto, no? Trying to set up the machine. Not the machine.
The fender roller?
The fender roller, yeah. So it has 3 options. This one you bring it in. Oh. This one works to go front and back, and this one is to pull the arm up and down, and this lever. How you call this? How would you call this? This one.
Lever?
Yeah, a little lever.
The lever on here is for you to be able to move the wheel back and forward. So yeah, first of all, you gotta make sure they're all the way in.
All the way tight.
Tight.
It's gotta be tighter than the hole at night. If you know, you know.
Life lessons.
Oh shit.
All right, like I said before, try to get this thing as hot as you can. Just don't put it too close to the paint, or it will bubble up and shit. So you wanna do all the lip over here.
You can't really tell if there's a little bit right in there.
Tomorrow.
That should be good. Bring it in here. Bring it forward. And start.
And now as you guys can, fuck, maybe we'll see. Let's try this out. And I guess you can't tell really, but
Flash part on.
that won't even work either.
It's
Yeah, it's not like straight anymore, like this side. Can't even
I mean,
tell.
they have a good example over here. You
Yeah,
see?
right there.
So it was like this long. It was like this long, and now it's like literally no lip on there.
So now we're gonna put the wheels back on and get going on the other side. We might just end the video. Oh, my bad. We might just end the video here so we can just get done faster. I mean, I think it was pretty somewhat self-explained. Well, not self-explained, but explained pretty good. And it's obvious the same thing on the other side.
Plus, the sun is about to get down, so we won't have
Yeah.
any fucking light. Keep recording.
Yeah, so we're just gonna hurry up and get this shit knocked out. Gio, can you do the outro, please?